begin, sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front. Keep your head, neck and back erect. Now, lift your knees and bend them sideways so that they point away from your body. Join the soles of your feet in front as you bend your knees. Hold your joined feet with your hands and pull them along the floor towards your body. Keeping your hands on your feet and knees bent sideways, swing your knees gently up and down for a minute. Then release your feet and straighten your legs to return to the starting position.